Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and I wanted to share with you something that I found at the Natural Products Expo, and I wanted to try it out with a new kind of TikTok trend that I've been seeing all over the place. Truth be told, I had this idea when I tried this at the show. So this is Jelly Belly sparkling water, which I thought was interesting. I was shocked to know that it was just sparkling water with no sweetness, but I was pleasantly surprised when I tried some of the flavors. But the most unique of all is definitely the chocolate. Now, the idea of clear, sparkling chocolate water sounded repulsive to me, I'm not going to lie. But then when I tried it at the show, I thought it was unbelievable. It reminded me a lot of that Canfield's chocolate fudge soda, but it's clear, it doesn't have sweetness, and it tastes chocolatey and almost a little creamy, and I love it. I just have been singing the praises of it. Then I thought, well, why not try to add a little bit of creaminess like I've been seeing people do on TikTok with sparkling waters. And I think it's going to taste a little bit like an egg cream. So I'm just saying you want to add maybe 2 tablespoons or a tablespoon and a half of half and half, which has about 35 or 40 calories. And you add that to this drink over ice in these cute glasses that I got at Costco. These are acrylic. This is out of this world, creamy, amazing, delicious. You could add sweetener to it, but I choose not to because I think it tastes better without the sweetness. And something about the lack of sweetness makes it taste even creamier. You can also add like oat milk or your milk of choice if you don't want to use half and half, but I've seen people even add heavy whipping cream, which is a little extreme, so I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, this is the Jelly Belly sparkling water, which you can get at Walmart in chocolate. Seems scary, but it's delicious and you need to try it, okay? I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, sip the right thing.